Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. You may have heard about the Henson AL13, and you may have heard about the Henson Ti22. What's the difference? Let's delve into that today. Here is the AL13 in rocket red. Here is the Ti22. I will explain the differences. The design of both razors is the same, the only difference being the metal used and aggressions offered. The AL13 is made of anodized aluminum and weighs 1.3 ounces. It is offered in both mild and medium aggression. It is not offered in the aggressive form. The Ti22 razor is made of bare titanium and weighs 2.7 ounces, which is almost double the AL13 in weight. It is offered in mild, medium, and they took it one step further, an aggressive option. Made of grade 5 titanium, it is lighter than steel, but stronger. Titanium is an exotic metal known for its strength and durability. This makes the Ti22 a truly buy-it-for-life safety razor. Titanium threads have a higher likelihood to bind or gall, so we, Henson, made the extra effort to machine Nitronic 60 stainless steel threaded inserts that make for a better feel when tightening and loosening the handle. What aggressions does the Ti22 come in? The Ti22 comes in 3 aggressions: mild, medium, and aggressive. These aggressions are the same in blade gap and extension to the AL13 razor. The aggressions of the AL13 and Ti22 are comparable outside of the aggressive option, which is exclusive again to the Ti22. The way you can tell the difference regarding the aggressiveness of the Henson razors, just look on the underside of the top cap or the top of the safety bar, and you will see either 1 plus, 2 pluses, or 3 pluses. And that will tell you the aggressiveness. 1 plus is mild, 2 pluses, medium, 3 pluses, that's aggressive. On the AL13, you'll only find 1 or 2 pluses, mild or medium. On the Ti22, the titanium version, you may find 1 plus for mild, 2 pluses for medium, or 3 pluses for the aggressive version. Hope that's not too complicated. I will post the exact specs for extension and blade gap up here for you to view as well. I know that I could stand here and give the specs and talk about the razors all day long, but I believe actions speak louder than words. So let's perform a shave pitting the Henson AL13 Aluminum against the Henson Ti22 Titanium safety razor. Let's get to work. Uh-oh, the only thing I'm missing, I need some beardage. We got to take care of that. I'll be right back. All right, let's do it. The original AL13 in rocket red versus the titanium Ti22 silver. Side by side, take a peek. Let's load them up. The razor they recommend is the RK. That's what comes with it. A 5-pack of RK blades comes with each one of these razors. Here's the original. Let's unscrew the handle. AL13. The thing I do notice about the blades, there is 1 dab of glue holding the paper together. So once you break that, the blade is completely loose, no more glue inside the package. A lot of other blades have dabs of glue right on the blade, sticking it to the paper, makes it a little bit tedious to remove from the paper, and just a little bit of a pain to deal with that glue. There's only 1 little dab of glue on the paper itself and none on the blade with these RK blades, which is kind of nice. Let's drop it right over the post and the 2 slots like so. Reassemble top cap to safety bar and install the handle. Okay, that one's ready to go. Tighten it down all the way. Now the titanium, remove the handle on this. Top cap safety bar. Let's grab our RK blade. Here's a look at it. Right over the post and the slots like so. Reassemble top cap, safety bar, and handle. Tighten it all the way. Ready to rock and roll with this titanium. All right, shaving cream I'll use, Taylor of Old Bond Street Tobacco Leaf Shaving Cream. Let's warm up the Shave Nation bowl under the hot water. It's ceramic, so it will retain some heat. Crack the cap on the tobacco leaf. And I'll just take my mini scoop spoon right here. Just going to scoop out 1 spoonful. Right there, that's it. Drop it right into the bowl. Like so. There it is at the bottom of the lather spot. And we'll go with the Shave Nation G5 synthetic brush right here. We'll warm it up under the hot water. Saturate those bristles. Go right in here, see if we can mix a lather. Just press the tips down into the lather spot. Oh, that didn't take long. Nice tobacco-y scent. Shaving cream is flowing towards the top. Scoop that back in, right down to the bottom, and just keep swirling that synthetic brush tips right into the lather spot. Wow, less than 30 seconds. Look at that. Lots of lather right there. The bowl is filled and the brush is filled. Beautiful. Let's set that down. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. All right, my face is good and warm, as you can see. It's nice and red. Let's grab our brush, G5 synthetic, and lather up. Right side. Left side. Mustache area. Drive it into the beard. Soften, hydrate the whiskers. Man down. Wow, that flew right into the bowl. Good shot. Couldn't do that again if I tried, probably. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Look at that. Lots of lather. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. All right, we'll go with the left side. This is the mild version, 1+ on the top cap. And the titanium, which I'll shave the right side, is the most aggressive. So it's mild, medium, aggressive. This is the aggressive. So we'll go mild AL13 versus aggressive Ti22 Titanium. All right, here we go. Left side. Find our angle. Cut that sideburn. Taking a few strokes to get through. One side filled. Flip it over. Right down the neckline. The mild version, you can really whip it around. All right, both sides filled. Rinse that. Lots of stubble on here. Let's hit the mustache. All right, left side is done. Lots of stubble in the sink. Titanium, here we go. Let's see if we can feel a difference. Cut the sideburn. Feels heftier. The grooves are more pronounced, easier to hold on to. Oh yeah, I even get the audible difference. Not a drastic difference, but you do notice a difference. Both sides filled. Rinse that. Right down the neckline. Mustache. Yep. I can even see that my right side is even smoother than the left side after that first pass. Okay, let's rinse it. A quick rinse to the face. Relather. Just a light coating for the second pass. Figure 8. Smooth everything out. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runways. Leave the fingers wet this time. We'll go across the grain with the AL13. Now against the grain on the neck. Both sides filled. Let's rinse that. Across the mustache. Very easy to get under the nose the way this tapers down. Okay, very good. Done with that. Now to the titanium. Across the grain. Definitely feel a difference on this now. Against the grain. Very good. Rinse that. Across the mustache. I think you can hear the difference as well. It is more aggressive. Not drastic, like I said, but you can feel the difference. A quick rinse again. We'll lather up the cheeks. We'll go against the grain on the cheeks. Get that baby smooth finish. Wet fingers. Stretch the skin a little bit. Work your way up. Skim, don't scrape. Like that, skim. This gets it baby smooth. Excellent. Rinse that. Titanium, right side. Again, don't scrape, but skim. This side is smoother. You can definitely tell on this pass. Less audible feedback as well. Feel slightly smoother on this side as well. Let's try this just for the heck of it. There we go. Now they're equal. Titanium, a little bit more aggressive. Just to remind you, the titanium does come in the mild, medium, and aggressive, and this is the aggressive. So this will be the most efficient shaver of all of them. All right, a final rinse with cold water. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick alum block. Just glide that all around the areas you've shaved. Seal off any small nicks, weepers. We didn't get any. Tighten the skin. Feels great going on. Feels like a cold ice cube. Excellent finish to the shave. Cap that up, set it down. Let that soak into your skin for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. All right, sticking with the Taylor Roll Bond Street Tobacco Leaf. This is Tobacco Leaf Luxury Aftershave. It's a spray bottle. It's got a little mister right there. So spray a little bit into the palm, then right into the face. Oh, very nice. Same scent as the shaving cream. Little tobacco-y. Very nice. All right, let's take a final look at these two razors. Both razors using the RK blade, the AL13 Aluminum and the Ti22 Titanium, I did get a better shave from the Titanium. The handle, more pronounced knurling on the handle. These grooves are a little bit easier to hold on to. The Titanium is about twice as heavy as the aluminum. You can feel the difference. Both shaved very well, but I did get a better shave from the Titanium. As you saw, I did 2.5 passes on both sides, and then a final Titanium on the AL13 side to bring it to the exact smoothness of the Titanium on the right side. So the AL13 almost got me there, but not all the way. The Titanium took me all the way to baby smooth on that final half pass going upward against the grain. All right, I hope you understand all that. We don't want to make things too complicated here. We want to keep it nice and simple. KISS, right? You know that acronym. If you want to pick up any of these items, the AL13 aluminum, the Ti22 titanium, brush, cream, soap, alum block, any of that stuff, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, and it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends. Almost 500 videos now, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.